How to use Axe. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to use Axe, first of all launch the Google Play Store application on your device and make sure you have updated or uploaded the latest version of the X3 application. And as you can see on the screen, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of application. So let's tap on open. As you tap on open, make sure that you're logged into your account, for which you can use a Google account, Apple account, or any of other email IDs. So you can see I've already logged into my account. Now here we have different options at the bottom of the screen. First is the home page, which is generally the feed that you get from your accounts that you follow. Next is the explore page or the search icon, where you can simply search for any profiles, search for people, topics, or any keywords. Next we have the option over here. So let's just get back. And as we get back, we'll be able to see the options over here. So let's just land back to the main page. Then here we have the other option, which is generally the AI option, Grok version. Next we have is the notifications option, where you can see different notifications. And then we have the chat section, where you can simply have chat with different people from your friends list or from the other accounts. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.